Hello everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the if statement in Excel. The if statement is a powerful tool that allows you to create logical tests and perform different actions based on the result of those tests. I have a table of data that contains information about the grades of students. We want to use the if statement to determine whether each student passed or failed the course based on their grade. To do this, we're going to use the if statement. We're going to start in our column C here and type out our function, which equals if, open parentheses, and then this is where we enter our logical test, or the test that we want it to perform. In this case, we want to test whether the grade is greater than or equal to 60, which is going to determine if it's a passing grade. So our logical test is going to look something like this. Our math results, which is going to be in column B, and we want to put greater than or equal to, and in my case, I'm going to do 60, comma. After the comma, you want to enter the value or action that you want to perform if the logical test is true. So in this case, we want to enter the text pass. So we're going to put into quotations the word pass. And then after the second comma, we're going to enter the value or action that we want to perform if the logical test is false. In this case, we want to enter the text fail in quotation, which is pretty much just saying if the student failed the course, right? And then we're going to press enter. So I'm going to copy that formula down by double clicking it and show you what that formula looks like. Pretty much the formula is looking something like this. If the student passed the course or failed the course based on their math results being higher than or lower than 60.